Tired of forgetting things? Google Tasks makes it easy to stay organized by creating simple to-do lists, setting reminders, and keeping track of everything on your phone or computer as well. It's free, fast, and super easy to use. So, hello everyone, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use Google Calendar and especially Google Tasks. Alright, so all I have to do right now is just open your browser and dive into Google Tasks like that, or you can just use another options. I will show you what is it. Then you click over Google Tasks like that, and well, then you will find here other page, which is this one. As you can see, we have Google Calendar, or you can just hear the second option that I mentioned before, that I told you, which is calendar.google.com. You have just to dive into Google calendar.google.com actually. Then you have just to select here the option of Google Tasks or Tasks. By clicking over Tasks, you'll find also Event and Schedule, and you have just to use or click over Task, and you will find here this. Alright, or you can just go to Google and you click over here and you select here Google Calendar, and then you select Tasks as well. Right, so let's get started by the definition of Google Tasks. Alright, it's free, important to know what is Google Tasks and how you can use Google Tasks and other things. So Google Tasks is an easy to use tool for organizing your to-do lists, and also you can quickly add tasks, set your dates, and create subtasks for bigger projects. It synthetics across all your devices, so you can access your tasks on your phone, tablet, or computer as well. Alright, so you have just right now to click over here in the top left over create to create a task. Just to add a title like that. So for example, let's just add in, for example, task 3 or something like that. You have just to add your title, your own, to remember this task. Right, you have just right now to select here which day. For example, you select 20 on November at 2024. For example, let's select 2020, and then you select here also the time for example 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, or something like that, and you select here how much day, and if on all day, daily, weekly on Sunday, monthly on day 17, and we'll on November 17, or custom. Once you click for custom, it will be appear one page, which is this one. You have to select here how much day. If it's not day, you select how much week. If it's not, you select how much month or year. Alright, once you select how much you want, then you have just to select the time, as you can see. For example, 8 o'clock, or let's just also here select which date. It's going to be start with, for example, 20, and then it's going to be end if it's never, or you select the option of on, and once you click over on, you select which day, for example 27, and then you click over OK, or you can just here select how much after 30 occurrences or after 20 occurrences or something like that. Then you click over OK and you add a description. For example, here we have, I'll just add something for clicking over save, because if I don't write something, I can't click over save. I will add here asking for advice. Then I will click over save, and then it's gonna be up here like that. All right, so this is for this one. Let's just create another one. For example, I will just here add task, for example 4, and then I will do the same with the time and the day. For example, let's select in here 2 all days, and you select here if it's gonna be monthly on day, the description, tasks. All right, and then you have just to select if you want to task 1, task my tasks, and you click over save, and it's very easy to create a task like that. So also we have the option if you want to make some tasks important, you click over here and you start adding task. You add your title, then you add details and the date and time. Then also you select here my task, for example task 1, then this is it right now, and here we have it right now, and you click over here if you want to delete it, and here we have it. Also we have here my tasks, as you can see, lists, and we have here task 1, and then if you want to create a new list, you have just to come back here and you click over create new list, and you enter the name, for example task 1, and then here we have it, and you will just here add task 1, and they will add a task like that. I will add a title firstly, for example here event. Then I will add here also details describing type in the task, for example. Then we have here the date and the time. Then you have to select time, and then you have just to click over option or repeat if you want, if you don't want. And here we have it going to be appear once you click over it. One page, which is this one, you have just to select the time, the start, and how much it's going to be start on which day, and it's going to be end on which day. Then you click over OK once it's done. All right. So also we have here other options that could help you, and let's get started right now. And I will just come back here. Alright, so I will show you here another option. So firstly, we have here in this page also other things. For example, here if you want to ask our support menu, settings menu, and if you want to switch to calendar, also here we have the option of Google Apps, and also we have here Google account. About settings, you'll find one text which is task keyboard shortcuts. Once you click over it, you'll find here this page, and you have just to modify the navigation if you want, task actions, and editing tasks, list actions, application as well. Right, also we have here for a keep, and you have just to click over take a note, and you add here a note as you can see. Then you click over done once you're done, and then here we have other things, for example Android devices, iPhone and iPad, web application, and Chrome extensions. All right, so this is option of the notes. Then we have also here contacts if you already have any contacts. Then we have here maps, and also we have here, for example, if we wanna here search applications. All right, so we have it right now. And then to use Google Tasks, you have just to open the application or access it, Gmail or Google Calendar as I did. Create tasks by typing them in, set due dates, and organize them into lists. You can break big tasks into subtasks and check them off as you complete them. Everything standardized across your devices, keeping you organized on the go. Right, so right now let's just go to the option of calendar like that. As you can see, we have here various things and the various tasks actually. So firstly, we have an event, here we have task. As you can see, here we have other things. So firstly, if you want to create a task using the calendar, you have just to click over here and we select event, task, or appointment schedule. I will select task, then I will add here some information as you can see, and then you click over save once you're done. Or you can just here select which time you want. For example, here and 20 Wednesday, and I will click here for which time I want. Then I will click, for example, here this time, or I will click over this time, for example, to 12:03. Then you have just to select here task, and you add the description and other options. Then you click over save once you're done, and you add title and other things. Then you will find it here as you can see. Also, we have here in the lower left, sorry, in the left, I just here confusing between right and left. That's why I said all left. So sorry again. And here we have, if you want to search for people, my calendars here about this one is very important. For example, for tasks, I select the color of orange. So if I just here see something with orange, I will just know that I have a task. All right, then you have just to select the color that you want by clicking over here, and you select your color, and here we have it, how it looks right now as you can see. So Google Tasks is a simple free tool that helps you stay organized by managing your to-do lists and reminders. Whether for work or personal tasks, it keeps everything in one place and synthetics across your devices. It's easy to use, efficient, and a great way to make sure nothing falls through the cracks. Give it a try and take control of your day as well. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.